All right, this is our second grade math lesson 9-2, models with three-digit numbers. How can you use place value blocks to show 125? Explain. Well, I know when I draw my square, that is equal to 100. And then I can do two 10 sticks, 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Now there's a couple other ways you can do it, but that's just the way that I'm showing how we can do it. Sorry, I just dropped my tape there. That was super loud. All right, so we're just showing how we can draw it using our place value blocks. All right, let's go ahead and take a look. This is what we have in our bag full of fun manipulatives. So what number do the models show? Remember, 10 ones make 110, 10 tens make 100. So first we're going to count. So we have all of these here. We're going to count the hundreds. So we have 100, 200. So we have 200s. Then we need to count the tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many tens do we have? 5 tens. And then we count the ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We have 9 ones. How many hundreds are in 345? How many hundreds? We have 3 hundreds. How many tens? 9 tens. And how many ones? 5 ones in 395. So now we're going to write the numbers shown. We can use our models and work mat here. All right, so let's see. How many ones do we have? Do we have any ones? Nope. Do we have any hundreds? Nope. Let's see how many tens we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7, so our number is 70, right? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. All right, let's take a look and figure out our next number. So let's start with our ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 ones. How many tens? 110. Let's see how many hundreds we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So our number is 516. All right, let's go ahead and go on to our next page, our independent practice. We're going to be doing exactly this. I like to start with the ones first and then go to the tens and then up to the hundreds and kind of cross them out as I go so I don't miss out on any. All right, let's take a look at number 3. Let's count the ones first. How many ones do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 ones. How many tens? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 tens. How many hundreds do we have? 0. So our number is just 58. Okay, how many ones do we have? Yep, none. How many tens? 1, 2, 3. 3 tens. How many hundreds? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 hundreds. All right, let's go on to number 5. How many ones do we have? 1, 2, 3 ones. How many tens? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 tens. And how many hundreds? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So our number here is 430. Our number here is 673. All right, let's go to number 6. How many ones do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How many tens? I don't see any 10 sticks. And how many hundreds? 1, 2, 3. So we know our number is 309. Okay, let's take a look at our next one. How many ones do we have? 1, 2, 3 ones. How many tens? 1, 2. And how many hundreds? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So our number is 623. Our last one, how many ones do we have? 0. How many 10 sticks? 0. How many hundreds? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So this represents 900. Let's take a look at our higher order thinking. Find the number. Okay, I'm going to do a place value chart here. Tens, ones, tens, hundreds. It has 5 hundreds. Okay, so we know we have 5 hundreds. The digit in the tens place is between 5 and 6. What number is between 5 and 7? See, my brain knew already. Between 5 and 7 is the number 6. And the number in the ones is 2 less than 4. So 4 minus 2 equals 2. So we know we have an answer of 562. All right, let's go ahead and go to our back page here. All right, here we go. Our number sense, starting off at number 10. Complete the chart. A number has an 8 in the hundreds place. All right, so we have an 8 in the hundreds place. It does not have any tens, so we know we have 0 tens. It has a 3 in the ones place. How many do we have? How many ones? 3 in the ones place. What is the number? 803. All right, our next one. We're going to draw models to show 100. How many hundreds do we have? 100. 4 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4 tens. And then how many ones? 1, 2, 3. So we have 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 100. So we know our number is 143. Now our higher order thinking. Choose a 3-digit number. Draw models to show the hundreds, tens, and ones for your drawing. So you can choose any one that you want to. For mine, I'm going to pick, let's see, 424. So I'm going to do 4 hundreds, 1, 2, 3, 4, 2 tens, and 4 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 424. All right, then our assessment, our final one. Katie used these models to show a number. Which number would be shown if Katie used one more hundreds flat? So what we have to do is figure out what we had there, and then we have to add one more. What I'm going to go ahead and do now is I'm going to add just one more back here. All right? So let's count those up. Let's see how many hundreds we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we have 8 hundreds. How many tens? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 tens. And how many ones? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So our number is 859. So the answer is D. Great job, everybody.